Hey, I'm Dr. Ryan Hetland, founder of Gut Brain Restoration. For the past 17 years, I've been helping people who have felt stuck in their health finally find answers of how to unlock their health inside. People who have felt stuck in pain, gut issues, hormone imbalances, fatigue, and brain issues like anxiety and depression. And here's the truth. If your gut isn't healthy, your brain and hormones can't be either. That is why we start with advanced at-home lab testing to start to uncover the root cause. What's draining your energy? What's disrupting your health and your healing? The healing and health that you're designed to express. Through personalized virtual consultations, we create a step-by-step plan that restores your body, renews your mind, and even strengthens your spirit. If you're ready to move beyond managing symptoms and actually heal the root cause, schedule your discovery consultation today, because you were made to live with clarity, peace, and vitality.